Hi guys, my name is Emma and I'm 4 years old. Today we're making SUPERVISION. We have eggs, boiled water, the mystery ingredient. So I'm dropping all the eggs in. See? Now we're going to boil it for 6 minutes. And it's shaking. We're gonna see what's the mystery ingredient. It has this and it has fire. I don't know what it is. You'll see it.
On the count of 3, are you ready?
Yes!
To lift up the box and see what's your mystery ingredient?
Yes!
All right, let's count. 3, 2,
1.
lift up that box. All right.
So we're putting the blue TAKI and taking it to the blue. I never taste these before. I never taste the green one or the blue. And I just like, oh, so what they open. This time we get up.
More.
Not some more, Mom.
What flavor is this one now? What flavor is it? Show it.
Hot. I don't know what you call it.
That one is crunchy fajita.
Crunchy fajita.
Okay.
Use this one. Do this. Close this. So it's tight.
What flavor is this one?
The
Fuego.
lemon hot. My favorite.
Is that your favorite?
Yeah.
What are we doing next? Okay, our eggs are done.
So you need SUPERVISION. My mom's behind the camera just recording me. So you'll always need doll. So it's pretty hot. Turn it off. Now put this on top for 5 more minutes. We got one of these. We got some cold ice with water in the bowl. Got this thing. Now we're gonna do this inside it. Oh, it's so. Look at me. This. Get it?
Yeah.
This. I'm gonna grab the eggs. We switch it and then because we didn't want to get one. Okay. Now what we do is this. Careful.
Good job.
Yeah, 2 more. I'm here all by myself. My mom's behind her being so proud of me. My dad's in the room.
Do we want to play with hot water already?
How are we doing? Just hot water? You need SUPERVISION when you're cooking, because then you will get burned. So I did by myself because I am 5 years old. My mom helped me. She's behind the camera, and I have my stepper so I can reach because I can't reach. I can reach, but I can't just cook without not eating. So we have them in the bowl. It's like a flower.
What are we going to do now? And what else? Do we eat them with the shell or?
No, we're gonna crack them. So, I'll tell you. It's okay if you get it thick because I will just pick it up. So good. There's not gonna be too much space. I my hands are bad. I go to my friend's house, sleepovers, I have fun there. Go to school. We do. We're making videos. We never make videos. We're seeing like movies so we can make videos. That's why we're making videos. I'm gonna put it on TV for you guys to see us. Perfect. Oh, yeah. And that's how you do it. 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 Yeah. That's how you do it. In the morning, you wake up and put on your stuff. In the morning, you pick up your stuff and make it. This is a duck. All the eggs and just glass. Boys, people, now we're going to grab an egg. And we're going to dip it in.
Ooh.
It sticks because it's wet. Wet makes it. So we're just doing it just like this. And I'm gonna eat it. Now I'm gonna just grab a bunch of it like this, or I'm gonna grab more. So I'm gonna grab this, and then if you put it aside, do that, and don't break the egg. So I'm being careful so I can break the egg like that. I don't know how to slip it on. So, kids, put oil in the egg, and maybe it will stick. Come on. It is sticking, Mom.
So you use a drop of oil? Just a tiny drop of oil? Good idea.
Put a tiny bit of oil on the eggs, and spread it on each end, and then everyone makes it at home. See? It's not fun. So, let's make a big hole right in the plate or a bowl. So, yeah.
So you're almost done dipping your Easter fuego eggs.
You mean the hot eggs?
Mm-hmm.
My mom makes it up.
Fire eggs, girl.
It's not fire.
It is fire.
But it's not fire. It's just hot eggs.
Oh, spicy. That was fun. No tasting time.
I'm gonna take first. I'm gonna see that, and I'm gonna do my. Let's do this. Oh no, you can paper.
Okay.
Now I'm starting. This good. I didn't taste this one and this one.
Can you tell us how does it taste?
It tastes like I can like that.
Is it spicy?
Mm.
A little bit.
Can I taste it, Mom?
Of course.
I'm serious. Look how big of a mouth. Okay. I keep eating mine.
It's okay.
Lord. Like Scooby-Doo. Scooby-Doo the Scooby-Doo and the other one, they got fire out. That's the Soviet part of my place. Did I taste this one?
Sure.
Did I taste this one?
No, you did not.
Did I taste this one? Good taste.